Going into the sound settings, just a brief overview of this entire screen. You've got sound effects for the spatial sound system. Obviously this is a 16 speaker Flyme sound system. So here you can choose the field mode to be whole vehicle, directed to just the driver, rear seats, custom or surround sound, which it's on currently. Below you've got the headrest stereo. So it'll have share mode, which is all audio to all speakers. Driver centric, which will now put navigation and phone calls into the driver's head speaker. And private mode, which when enabled, all audio will go into the headrest speaker. As we exit this part, you can see some more of your settings there for your media and navigation volumes, and some more toggle modes and vehicle alert volume and your alerting system.